After considering various options, we've decided to visit the Grand Canyon through a Viator Tour operated by Comedy on Deck with a price tag of around $158 each. Our pickup point was Excalibur Hotel at 7 in the morning, which is only a 10-minute walk from Mandalay Bay where we stayed during the trip. We've reached our first stop around 8, where we saw our first glimpse of the Hoover Dam from the Mike O'Callaghan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. Good morning, guys! We're going up to see the Hoover Dam. And it's 8 in the morning. Ito na morning exercise natin. Mike O'Callaghan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge spans the Colorado River between states of Nevada and Arizona. The bridge is 30 miles or around 48 kilometers southeast of Las Vegas and carries Interstate 11 and US Route 93 over the Colorado River. Opened in 2010, it was the key component of the Hoover Dam bypass project, which rerouted US 93 from its previous routing along the top of Hoover Dam and removed several hairpin turns and blind curves from the route. It is jointly named for Mike O'Callaghan, Governor of Nevada from 1971 to 1979, and Pat Tillman, an American football player who left his career with the Arizona Cardinals to enlist in the United States Army and was killed in Afghanistan in 2004 by friendly fire. Hi guys! We're at Hoover Dam, Nevada. Kaya nakakalula. Okay guys, how's the Hoover Dam? sleepy pa. Our next stop is breakfast at Omelet House, a 30-minute drive from the bridge. We were given order cards inside the bus where we got to choose our meal and drink. It was then collected by our tour guide and ordered on the way to the restaurant. Smaller groups were combined in one table, giving opportunity to meet other people in the tour. After breakfast, the 2-hour-long drive to the Grand Canyon begins. Along the way, we got to see a nice view of the Colorado River and came across solar panels.
Soon enough, I'd say over the next 30 minutes, we're going to see more and more of these Joshua trees.
As we traversed the Mojave Desert, we saw Joshua trees. Joshua trees are an important part of the Mojave Desert ecosystem, providing habitat for numerous birds, mammals, insects, and lizards. Joshua tree forests tell a story of survival, resilience, and beauty born through perseverance. Upon reaching the park, we had to get our tickets and have them scanned by the Hualapai people before we can explore the national park. The first stop inside the Grand Canyon Park is Eagle Point. A famous attraction is the Skywalk. This 10-foot wide horseshoe-shaped glass bridge extends 70 feet out over the rim of the Grand Canyon, giving you a clear view of 4,000 feet to the canyon floor below. The glass bridge is strong enough to hold 70 fully loaded 747 passenger jets. We've opted not to do the skywalk as we've read from reviews that lines are long and can take 30 to 60 minutes. The Eagle Point area of the canyon was originally known as the Battleship and was later renamed by one of the Hualapai people to Eagle Point when she saw the outline of an eagle in the rock formation. Eagle Point is home to an authentic Native American village that includes an amphitheater that allows guests to enjoy live musical and dance performances or lectures on Hualapai history. There is a gift shop that offers a variety of souvenirs from t-shirts and hats to handcrafted jewelry and weavings made by the Hualapai, Hopi, and Mojave tribes. Ravens are also commonly seen at Eagle Point.
Alright guys, so we're going to take an hour and 15 minutes at this next stop. Is that cool with everybody?
The final stop inside the Grand Canyon Park is Guano Point. It features panoramic views of the Grand Canyon and Colorado River. Guano means excrement of bats used as fertilizer. This place was named after the Bat Cave mine 2,500 feet below. The cave was discovered in the 1930s by a young man on a river trip. Bat droppings are rich in phosphates and nitrates, which are used in fertilizer. In 1957, the U.S. Guano Corporation estimated that the cave held 100,000 tons of guano with a net worth of $12 to $15 million. As suggested by the tour guide, we had a photo shoot at this stop before eating our simple lunch. Grabe guys, the view is majestic. The view is amazing. Okay, ha? Ang ganda. Mamaya, makita mo sa ano. Hello, hello. Come on, let's go. So that's the end of our Grand Canyon tour. This is the Grand Canyon West Rim. Amazing views. Bye bye, Grand Canyon West Rim. Oh. Bye bye Grand Canyon. Ganda, ganda. I think this is worth the trip, but I suggest you probably want to do an overnight because the view is amazing and a day trip isn't enough to actually explore and take a lot of photos. This $158 tour price includes an air-conditioned bus with a designated driver, pick up and drop off at select hotels along the Las Vegas Strip, a stopover at the Hoover Dam Bridge for photos, breakfast at Omelet House, a simple lunch at Guano Point, Grand Canyon, a professional tour guide, all entrance fees and taxes, and what seemed to be an unlimited supply of bottled water with option for ice-cold water. Note that gratuities and tips are not included. Overall, I enjoyed this tour because it's convenient. The pickup points are well placed along the strip. There is no need to worry about food and toilet breaks. The tour guide was knowledgeable and helpful, and there is a surprisingly never-ending supply of ice-cold water. I would say though that the time spent inside the park isn't enough, as the views are amazing. So, if you have more time, I would definitely suggest that you go on an overnight trip on your visit. If you find this video helpful or entertaining, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!